Hey guys, welcome to Backbone.js tutorial. In this section, we're going to learn about Backbone models, which are containers for application data. They're different from plain JavaScript objects in the sense that they have some kind of change tracking mechanism and publish events when their state changes. They also have the ability to send AJAX requests to the server to synchronize the data on the client with the server. And this is very powerful because with Backbone, we no longer have to write those ugly spaghetti-style AJAX calls using jQuery. We simply call methods on our models, and the models take care of all the low-level AJAX calls for us. In this section, we'll talk about the fundamentals of models, how to work with their attributes, how to validate them, and how to synchronize them with the server. As you will see in this lecture, we'll start with the code straight away. So I have prepared a boilerplate template for you that you can download in the supplementary materials section of this lecture. Let me show you what the boilerplate template looks like. So we've got an index.html with a set of style sheets and some JavaScript code. Don't worry about the styles as they're completely irrelevant when learning Backbone. In the JS folder, we have this main.js here, which is where we write all our Backbone code. At the start, to keep things simple, we write all the code in this main.js. But in real-world applications, you often need and should modularize your code. Once you master Backbone basics, then in the later sections in this course, I will show you how to modularize your code with required.js. So don't worry about it at this stage. This lib folder here is where all our third-party JavaScript libraries are located. So as you see, it's a good practice to separate the application code from external libraries. Here we've got Backbone, Modernizer, underscore, and jQuery. Now let's look at our index.html. This is a very basic HTML template with a few CSS references on the top and a few JavaScript references at the bottom. Remember that for optimization, you should always put your JavaScript code at the end of the body section. The only exception is the Modernizer script, which is required to be in the heading section. So here we've got references to jQuery, underscore, Backbone, and our main.js. That's pretty much it, and let's get started.